So today, y'all, be careful out there in the sun. It's a heat wave. It's like all the way around the world type shit, you know what I'm saying? It's really hot outside, about 100 degrees. You know what I'm saying? Like, gotta be careful, gotta stay cool. You gotta, don't let the senior citizens outside, go check on them. You know, make sure they got proper, like, ventilation. Got some AC running, some fans going. You know, stay out that heat, man. That heat can give you a stroke. You have a heat stroke, man. I've been there before. I know how it is. Just make sure you stay cool and just, relax and just don't even get stressed out today because it ain't worth it, man. I know what's going on in the world, and I know you know too. And we can't do nothing to change that. It was just a bad decision, but we ain't the president, so best thing we could do right now. I don't even know why people want to be out there trying to cause records right now. It's hot as hell out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Peace. Stay cool.